Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Photon. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do this, the first thing that you want to do is download the Phantom extension on your web browser. Once you do, you're going to face a screen like this. And from here, if you already have a Phantom wallet, then you can press onto the I already have a wallet button underneath. If not, you can click onto the Create a New Wallet button, which is the purple one. Then continue with email, and then I'm going to choose to open it with my Google account. Now you'll be asked to create a PIN, so choose a 4-digit code that you can easily remember and then confirm it. And after that, create a password and tick the box underneath to agree to the terms and conditions and click on to continue. And now we have our Phantom wallet created. Now for the next step, you want to open a new browser tab and click onto the search box and type in Photon Sol like this and press enter. Then click onto the first link that appears from the results. And here we have the official Photon website. From here you can either click onto the Connect Wallet button or click onto the wallet icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Then click onto the Connect button in the bottom right-hand corner of this pop-up window. So it says by signing up you agree to the terms and conditions. So go ahead and click on the purple confirm button, and it's going to take you to this page. So you want to click onto this generate button on the middle of the screen. And here you want to slide this to the right so you can reveal the private key. So here is the private key. You want to copy it and save it somewhere safe because this key will not be displayed ever again. After you save it, click onto the I already saved it button that appears in the pop-up window. And then in this page, you can check your balance, or just go ahead and click on to continue underneath. And here we are. Now you want to deposit your Solana in order to start trading. To do so, you want to click onto the extensions button up here, and then click onto Phantom. From here, you want to click onto the A1 icon in the top left-hand corner, and then click onto the plus down here. Then click onto the Import Private Key option. And here you want to insert the name, which is in this case Photon. And underneath it type in the private key that you saved earlier. And finally click onto the Import button underneath. And that's it. Now you can successfully start trading. So that's basically how you can connect Phantom Wallet to Photon. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.